Okay, hear me out. I wasn't planning on making anything fancy, but this turned out to be fancy. This is basically guilt cooking because I felt bad for the dying veggies in my refrigerator, so I just threw everything on a pan like ginger garlic paste, oil, the usual suspects which make you think you know what you're cooking, but it's basically guilt cooking at this point. Then I added them in, sauteed them for some time, added black pepper, magic masala because it's the only masala available at my house. Yes, tomatoes go in and then I let them simmer, having their moment, guys. And I was thinking literally anything at this point. Now, this might sound really random, but I added peanut butter. Yeah, it's random because I couldn't find soy sauce, guys. Then I did something more random. I added water and coconut milk. It's vegan, so anyone vegan, congratulations, you're going to love this. And I tasted something really similar and I paid 600 to 800 bucks in a restaurant for this same dish. Yeah, it does not taste like Thai curry if that's what you're thinking, but it tastes like a vegan coconut ramen bowl, and you're going to thank me later for this. Just let me know in the comments if you try this. Bye.